Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today we are going to do an unboxing video. And what are we going to unbox for today? Well, this is what we are going to open. And before we do that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's dive into this video, shall we? Let's open this and see what we got. Put that away. And I ordered a new book. This one. This is called Before It All Falls Apart. The Emergency Prep Manual for the Real World. It is written by a reliable prepper. And I will put the link to his YouTube channel as well. If you are not familiar with his channel, I suggest you pay him a visit and let him know that I have sent you. He has a lot of good and great information. And he also written 2 other books. And this is his 3rd one. And this book looks beautiful, and I really like the cover on this one. Nice, beautiful colors, and on the back it looks like this. And as his all other 2 books, it had a good font size on the text inside the book, and he still have a good font size on his text in this book. So for those who are dyslexic or don't see that well, this will be pretty much easy to read this one. So it is a quite thick book. So I bought this on Amazon, and well, I'm happy to have his 3rd book. And I don't remember how much I paid for this. I believe around 240, 290 with the shipping cost. I don't remember. But anyway, I will read this one as well, but I need to finish his 2nd book first. I haven't begun read his 2nd yet, so I need to finish that and do a proper review on that book before I read this and do a proper review on this one. So I think this book contains a lot of good information. Chapter 1, the 2-week buffer, water storage and purification systems, building a practical food pantry, power solutions for common outages, essential car kit setup, communication backup plans, weekend implementation project, and then on the chapter 2 he has home water systems. So water storage for any living space, DIY rainwater collection that works, purification methods that actually work, conservation during water shortages. So from what I can see at the moment, it contains a lot of good information. And chapter 3 is food security foundations. Chapter 4 is health and first aid essentials. So I will not go through this book yet, because I want to read it first and so I can give a proper review on it. So I know what I'm talking about. But at a first sight, the topics he has in this book looks great and very good information. And he is really good to put in information and his knowledge in his books. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. And remember, be part of the solution, not the problem. Stay safe. God bless. Strength and honor. ShadowScoutSwede out. Oh, if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today's video, guys. See you later. ShadowScoutSwede out.